Hey there, my name is Isa and today I would love to prepare a homemade yoga mat spray with you. For this we need distilled water or bottled water, a spray bottle, a glass one is great, and a few essential oils which have cleansing properties and if you like, some additional ones which you love because of their scent. This is one of my favorite recipes I came up with, but of course you can exchange oils as you like or just exclude some. I got my 100 milliliter glass bottle here, and for the base I fill it up to 3/4 with distilled or bottled water. And then I add the essential oils that I use because of their cleansing properties. If your bottle is bigger or smaller than mine, just adjust the amount of drops used accordingly.
I add 5 drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antiviral, antiparasitic and antibacterial. So it's a powerful all-rounder. I also add 1 to 2 drops from my original Ghanaian lemongrass oil that I recently got there. I like to benefit from its cleansing properties, but I don't use more because of its very intense scent. So lemongrass oil is anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antiseptic, antifungal, it stimulates the immune system and it's a great insect repellent.
I also add myrrh and frankincense. These are essential oils which already has been used in ancient Egypt. Queen Hatshepsut would import frankincense from eastern Ethiopia and southern Africa for bathing and ritual purposes. Frankincense in general is great for clearing energy in your home and your spirit. And myrrh was rubbed onto bodies to prepare them for mummification. But let's return to the current topic. Besides the ancient Egyptian tradition of using those oils, I also use them because myrrh is highly cleansing. It is highly disinfecting, highly antibacterial and antiparasitic. And frankincense has anti-inflammatory and antibiotic properties.
So 5 drops of myrrh, and 5 drops of frankincense.
So this is the cleansing base. As I said in the beginning, you can vary it to your liking.
I like to add my favorite scents. 5 drops of ylang ylang, which reduces stress and eases anxiety and depression. And 5 drops of jasmine. Jasmine is a natural antidepressant and the oil of releasing and letting go. With this lovely scent, you can also use it as a room and fabric freshener and also as a body spray.
If you're all into chakras, this spray resonates with your sacral, your heart, throat, third eye and crown chakra due to the used essential oils. If it is important to you to address all 7 main chakras, you can add chamomile or lavender for your navel chakra and rosemary, which is also cleansing for your root chakra. Shake well before use and then spray it on your mat. Just let your mat absorb the spray so its cleansing properties can start to work. A homemade yoga mat spray is a great present idea for a friend who loves to do yoga. A smaller bottle is always nice for yourself on the go. And it really is an amazing body spray and room and fabric freshener as well. If you think this video was helpful, feel free to share it with your loved ones. I'm thankful and appreciate every single thumbs up, and of course I'm super happy about every subscription to this channel. Have a good one and see you soon.